Hello friends, my name is Emma. Welcome back another helpful tutorial. Today in this video, I will tell you 3 methods by which you can easily fix Spectrum app not working problem on Roku device. Only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you are getting good internet speed. If your internet is fully working, then follow these steps. Method 1. Hard restart your Roku device. 80% app not working problems will fixed by this method. First of all, please turn off your Roku device by using the Roku remote. Then completely unplug the Roku device power cable from the power socket. Now you need to wait for 3 to 5 minutes and then plug the power cable back in and turn on your Roku device. Hope this should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you need to check that you are running the latest version of Spectrum app on your Roku device. For this, select the home button from Roku remote. Now you need to locate the app which is not working, like Spectrum. Once the app is highlighted, now push the start button. After pushing the button, the options menu for this app will open. From this menu, you need to select check for updates. If any updates pending, then it will take some time. Finally, another screen will appear. Tap on OK button. Hope this should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then in that case you need to delete and reinstall Spectrum app on your Roku device. For this, select the home button from Roku remote. Now you need to locate the app which is not working, like Spectrum. Once the app is highlighted, now push the start button. After pushing the start button, the options menu for this app will open. Now you need to click on Remove Channel from the pop-up menu. It's going to ask for confirmation, so you have to select Remove option to uninstall the app from your device. Once uninstalled, again press the Home button on your Roku remote. From here, scroll down by using remote and navigate Streaming Channels. And then click OK on your remote. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and again navigate Search Channels, and now you need to type Spectrum. Then your app will show up on your screen. Scroll over to the right and then click OK on your remote. Then again you need to click on OK. Once you are on this screen, select Add Channel to install it back on your device. Follow the prompts. Hopefully this will fix the issue, and now you can enjoy your Spectrum app. By using these methods, you can easily fix Spectrum app not working problem. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.